I'm going to show you how to clean a pellet grill, and I had to travel a bit to find one that was dirty enough to really show you how it's done.
Unmaintained pellet grills are known to catch fire if they aren't cleaned, and it doesn't take very long and is well worth the effort. Most of the work is in removing and reinstalling the parts once they're cleaned. The drip tray is by far the dirtiest part of the grill and is a common spot to cause a grease fire. The heat deflector can be hard to remove, but a few taps will usually break it free. Grab a shop vac and clean out all of the pellet ash in the cooker. I've heard some people say that you should leave it so it insulates better, but that doesn't make any sense. It's also a great way to hold in the grease that you hope never catches fire. The most important thing is to get rid of all the ash out of the burn pot for easier lighting, more consistent temperatures, and a reduced risk of an auger fire. If the manufacturer allows you to cover the drip tray with aluminum foil, you should do it because cleanup is really easy once you manage to peel it off. It's also faster, which encourages me to do it more often, which is always a good thing. If your grill has a blast door on the drip tray, you can't use aluminum foil, but that's the trade-off you make for being able to sear a steak. If you find yourself in that situation, using a plastic putty knife or a scraper will make quick work of the stuck-on grease and the burnt-up food. Use the same scraper to clean off the door to avoid grease dripping down on your next batch of ribs.
People will tell you that you can take your grill grates and put them in the dishwasher for an easy clean. But the study that I just made up says that people who put car parts or grill parts into their dishwasher have a 30% higher incidence rate of divorce. Don't risk it.
It is really easy to clean your grill grates so you don't even need a dishwasher. I'm using Goo Gone as a test, but my favorite is still Simple Green because it's both non-toxic and biodegradable. That sprayer was broken, so I put some degreaser in a shop towel and rubbed it on the grill grates. The next step is to use an old dish brush that you're ready to throw away and use it to scrape off any stuck-on food. The nylon bristles won't scratch the grates and make quick work of it. Even though the degreaser is non-toxic, I still make sure that I rinse the grates well to avoid any residue or flavors on the next cook. Installation is the reverse of the removal, and you want to return the parts in the same order that you took them out. Don't forget to cover the drip tray with aluminum foil. Heavy-duty foil is better because it's thicker and wider and may only need one sheet, but you can overlap it if you need to. Put the drip tray and the grill grates back in the pellet grill before starting on the outside. I forgot to put the cover on and the sprinklers got to the grill, but that's not that big of a deal. I'm going to use a shop towel moistened with degreaser, and I wipe down the entire outside, taking an extra minute to clean under the front under the door, which is the dirtiest part of the entire grill because that's where all the grease comes off from the inside. With that cleaned up, you're ready to start your next recipe.
Now that your pellet grill is nice and clean, you should make this chicken sandwich that is better than Chick-fil-A, and you won't believe the secret ingredient that makes it extra tender.